Hello, this is Sushamita Pradeepji, founder and volunteer Support Vitiligo. The journey of Support Vitiligo started with the Support Vitiligo video, which was released in 2017, though I started working on it much before in 2015 itself. So it took me 3 years to make that video, which is a 6-minute video, and it reached around 2 million people collectively in social media in various pages. So after that, if you see, many people started reaching out to me, asking about my journey and also sharing their emotions. I thought I'll be done with the video and done with my job, but then it actually started, it became more. So now if you see, once people started approaching me, it was like one-on-one, but after one point it was like too many people started approaching me, so I felt we can have a support network, like a group, right? So we were in WhatsApp initially, then to maintain privacy we moved to Telegram.
We have been reaching the unreached and connecting 120 plus Indians across 35 plus cities, 20 plus states across multiple countries. There are two support networks, one is for persons with vitiligo, another one is for parents of children with vitiligo. Support Vitiligo networks provide treatment options and connects and vitiligo management tips based on the personal experiences of the members. The network offers number privacy. We also have virtual video meetings. This helps people in expressing and becoming self-advocates and offers emotional support, thus acting as an overall self-help. And this caters to the overall perspectives and needs of people with vitiligo. We also wish and celebrate certain occasions. We spread awareness on vitiligo through various online and offline formats. Anyone can visit our website and get basic awareness on vitiligo and also various tiny tales on people with vitiligo and more, much more. You can also follow us on social media platform. We are basically volunteer driven and this website is also voluntarily made. So we are going through the news corner. Here we have posted all the events which has happened so far. Like you can see, there are various webinars, there are stalls, awareness stalls, and we have also reached the rural urban alike through various formats. So this is mostly online and offline alike. So we have reached many people this way, and we are thankful to all our partner organizations who have supported us in this. So this has been our journey. And then moving on to our social media presence, this is our Instagram handle. This is also managed by one of our volunteers. So we spread awareness through affirmations featuring persons with vitiligo, and also various tips and hacks are also available here. So we also post posts which trigger thoughts in people and make them think. So you can see various posts which have been featured here, and these are affirmations featuring persons with vitiligo. And we have also included more affirmations, like we post affirmations frequently. And we have also posted our Support Vitiligo Impact, which is the impact of our videos on the general public. So you can see there are various comments which we have posted as impact, and these are our posts. Do follow us on social media and benefit from the posts being posted in our social media. So we are there on Instagram and Facebook. So moving on to our highlights. So we also have a digital campaign. You can see this year we went digital. Do spread the word and support the Support Vitiligo challenge with the hashtag. And then we have started the campaign way back in 2018 and continued in 2019. We also had meetups as shown here. And in 2018 we started our campaign, which was followed by many other people in India as well. And we also conduct quizzes on our social media on Instagram and Facebook. So this helps us in spreading awareness among the general public, both persons with and without vitiligo. So it's the main intention is to provide awareness of the basic facts and myths about vitiligo. So these are affirmations. You can find it on our page on social media. And the impact of our videos. So you have posted it here. You can visit anytime and have a look at them. We are really thankful to the support we have received so far. It has been really amazing, and we are happy that we have been beneficial to people. It has really benefited many people as far as the testimonials are concerned. And we have also included doctors and experts in the field who would answer FAQs, and we continue to do so based on the intent of the doctors as well. And this is a YouTube channel. We have a reach of around 7,800 people, and some of our videos have crossed lakhs of views. So, are you doing your bit to support Vitiligo?